Today, I'm very excited to walk you through the latest Globe One app update, built to give customers a faster, smarter, and more seamless digital experience. So what we focused on is what matters most. Getting in quicker, finding what you need faster, and enjoying a smoother, lighter app overall. So we started by making Globe One the easiest way for people to register promos and stay connected. We've optimized our app to load over 50% faster across all devices. Our Buy Promo catalog has been redesigned. It's cleaner, more intuitive, and easier to compare promos at a glance. And with GCash one click, you can buy promos in less than 30 seconds. Diba? Parang flash. And so, plus, on the tech side, we've optimized performance and trimmed down the app size so it launches faster and takes up less space. That's a big win. The app now uses up less data and even less storage space on our consumers' phones. Now, these aren't just cosmetic changes. They actually solve real pain points. Faster access means less waiting and more doing. Simpler navigation puts customers in control, and smaller size means more people can use it across all device types. Diba? So let's talk about one feature that I'm very proud to actually introduce to you. It's called Guest Mode. And with Guest Mode, anyone, whether they're a Globe customer or not, can access key services instantly and no login required anymore. They can register a SIM, buy load, subscribe to promos, or even purchase an eSIM, all without needing to create an account. And why does it matter? Because it meets users where they are. And you know naman, diba, a lot of our prepaid and TM customers still rely on offline transactions. Guest Mode gives them a simple introduction to Globe One. One that feels useful and not forced. And it's future ready. Even non-Globe users can buy an eSIM right from the app. No store visits, no paperwork, just tap and go. Once they see the value, Guest Mode actually naturally nudges them into full account creation, where they can unlock rewards and even more features. And the next feature that I'd like to talk about is called the 5G SIM upgrade. And speaking of features, this 5G SIM upgrade is something that you can use right in the app. It's 100% self-service. Both prepaid and postpaid customers can validate ownership, select payment, and delivery, and get their 5G SIM without ever leaving their home. It's fast, it's secure, it's modern customer care on the customer's terms. And finally, customers can actually now upgrade to an eSIM from their physical SIM directly via the Globe One app. The app even detects if the phone that they're using is actually SIM capable and guides them through the process. Plus, the eSIM profile is automatically downloaded on the phone for a seamless activation and with a backup QR code that is sent to their email. No waiting, no more store visits, all fully digital. Because today's users demand more flexibility on the go. They want instant connectivity, and we're making that happen. Now, let's talk about another important principle, security. Trust is the foundation of every interaction. That's why Globe is building every innovation to be secure by design, not patched on as an afterthought. I'd like to introduce to you SMS Scam Shield. And we're putting this into action via this new feature for all Android users. It alerts users the moment that a suspicious link appears in a text, giving them the power to pause, think, and protect themselves before actually engaging with the SMS. It's a small feature with a big impact, and just one more way Globe is helping customers stay safe every day. So in closing, the latest Globe One updates are about more than new features. They are about delivering convenience, empowerment, and trust.